Hi everybody, today for review we have a Hyundai Tucson 2018 or 2017 Canadian model. So this is the vehicle. It has actually a nice shape, it's very comfortable inside. This is all-wheel drive and you can interlock the front and the back axles. I'm not sure how it is in winter or in the mud, but actually in summer or on the good road it's very smooth and nice, except of engine. It has a 4-cylinder engine which is I would say not so powerful. Okay, this is the knob for the vehicle. This is the usual key. Lock, unlock, and unlock the trunk. So it doesn't have a keyless starter. It doesn't have a passive entry, which is not suitable. I would say this vehicle is close to basic than close to luxury. Okay, everything is open, so we can see this vehicle from inside. So this is the engine compartment. 4-cylinder engine, which is not powerful enough, as I told before. So this vehicle is pretty basic, but it has a power seat. It has a blind spot alarm, which is very handy and very useful. It has a beautiful sunroof. Beautiful, I like it. It's a huge one, and you open actually half of roof. It's beautiful. Leather seats, which I actually don't like, and the front seats, they're heated. The rear one, no. Here is the trunk. It's not so big. I would say maybe this vehicle, it's not a family one, but it would be okay for maybe for 2 or 3 persons. It has a satellite radio. This is antenna. So let's start the engine. Let's see. Oh, actually, you can move the steering wheel up and down, in and out. It's also very handy. Okay, let's start it. It has a backup camera, which is also very handy. Climate control, heated seats, USB chargers. Glove box is small. Dashboard panel. It has a Bluetooth, so you can connect your cell phone. And actually, I would say that is it. Not much. Actually, I like this vehicle. but as I told, it's close to basic rather than close to luxury, but actually it's very nice. Okay, thank you for review. See you next time. Thanks, bye.